Just a quick review for this 13-inch by 16-inch vanity mirror. It's got 11 LED lights, 5 across the top and 3 on each side, totaling 11. All 11 lights are controlled through this touch panel here right in the front. There is an on and off button, and then there's a brightness setting here to the right. I'm not sure why it's a P, but it goes a little bit brighter. Basically 2 settings, a high and a low. And then this last button here changes the color temperature. There are basically 3 settings for that. There is a cool light, a warm light, and then a neutral or natural light. It's pretty nice. It's got a wide base to it. This is made of metal. Both the side upright pieces and the base here are made of metal. This is made of plastic. It does articulate, so it goes up and down, so you can make that adjustment as well. And the power is super simple. It's just a little simple plug here in the back. The cord is maybe 3 feet long, and it goes into a standard USB dongle in the wall. It is powered all the time. It is not a rechargeable unit like some of these are. It does come with this small mirror that's 5 times magnification. And on the back is 2 suction cups. And you just stick that right onto the mirror surface like that. So you've got a little bit of a space to have an up close look when you're looking at this vanity mirror. All in all, just a nice vanity mirror for doing makeup on a countertop.